Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a background image in MailChimp. This is MailChimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account. To show you how to add a background image in MailChimp, let's try to create a regular email, for example. Let's go directly to the design email step. Let's work with this free template, for example. Click on apply. Now from this email builder step, click on style from the left, then click on email, and below background image, click on browse. Click on this upload button to upload your background image from your computer. Double click it just like that. The upload is started, and after the download is complete, it will directly added to the background of your email. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my MailChimp online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to set up your MailChimp account, how to manage your audience inside MailChimp, also how to create a campaign and manage it, how to create landing pages and forms, integration and API, email customization and personalization, export and download, and also troubleshooting and maintenance. To get all of this today for free, plus these online courses in my university, all you need to do is to go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. To edit the size of your new background image, you can play with fit, fill, or original. I will go with fill. Same thing with the position. You can edit it, and from repeat you can select between none on repeat. And this is how to add a background image in MailChimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.